We're back for top 8 of the Croatian National Championship. And here we have Alen Kazarac protiv or versus Tibor Štefanac. I'm sorry for that. My Croatian kicked in. We've seen both of these players on the feature match earlier. So on the right side we have Kashtira. On the left side we have Kashtira. On the right side we have Super Heavy Samurai.
Yes, and the Super Heavy man is playing them.
Yes, which is interesting commentary.
And we can see Alan won the dice roll, which is not good for
our super heavy
player because but he has draw,
which is potentially fine for a super heavy player.
And I think I saw he has an ash in hand.
Yes, he has an ash in hand. Yes, and an ogre. I think.
There's an ogre.
I think it's another draw.
Is it an Nibiru as well?
No. I saw bike in hand for sure.
I think it's
I saw bike in hand for sure. Bike is broken. Bike is actually broken.
I mean, the problem is that sometimes a lone Fenrir can be enough to stop their.
Let's see what happens.
He targets and he will probably get ashed here. This is probably an ash blossom, no? What is he thinking about? I mean, if you have ash blossom, what? He's not ashing the Fenrir.
I think he's just.
Maybe we didn't see correctly.
Yeah, I don't think it was an ash. I think it was another draw, honestly. Oh no, there is an ash. It is an ash.
Why wouldn't you ash the?
He knows better than us. He knows something that we do not know.
I do not understand why you
I think he possesses information that we do not possess.
No, but like if you drawed him.
Yes.
There is not a thing that you can ash any more than the Theosis. Like there is only one, like he can maybe ash field spell, but...
How? To roll?
Yeah, actually no. There is not a thing you can ash.
Theosis.
The only thing you can ash is Theosis. And like, he just...
What else can you ash though? I don't know. I'm really unsure. Like,
because
I don't
now
think there's anything.
Because now if Alan has like an ogre to stop the pendulum scale...
I mean, there's no way he has an ogre.
Why do you think so?
Because...
No, we are not going to give away the information.
But we will not give away. So maybe he has an ogre.
He definitely has an ogre.
There is definitely an ogre in his list. That is all that we can say.
Let me see the list.
There is definitely an ogre.
We know what is set, probably.
It could be a lot of cards. Potentially Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
I'm reading Alen Kazavac right now. I know we are mentally connected, and I know what he has set.
The mental connection.
Yeah.
Croatian nationals are on another level.
I will whisper you now, and you will confirm with the stream if it was correct.
Okay.
We have mental connection on another level.
Let's see. And I have Tibor's list here as well. I think this is his list.
41 cards. I'm going to puke myself.
In game. But I'm not sure if this is his list. Potentially it could be.
No, it is his list. It is his list.
It does look like something he would build.
No, it is his list because I was testing with him yesterday, and I know for a fact that is his side deck. Because he was very scared of today, so yesterday at 1 AM he added this to his side deck, this card right here.
Well, it obviously worked and it has done him great so far, so we cannot complain about it. And yeah, you were right, there it seems to be a Book of Moon coming down. So let's see. So let's see what happens here. Okay. He gets the super heavy scales.
This
super heavy scales for a super heavy. Anyways, no inappropriate commentary.
Wait a minute. Kazo has stopped this.
He imprimed it. But what does that actually do?
I mean, what can
Tibor do?
What can Tibor do right now?
What can Tibor do? He's reading Wakaushi for some reason.
He's reading his own cards. It's not a good sign.
Well, it got banished face down, so he needs another Wakaushi if he wants to keep playing. which I don't think he has. I don't think he has another Wakaushi in hand. He has an Ash.
Oh, but he has an Kurikara.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, he has a Kurikara. That's probably what we thought was Ash.
True.
It was Kurikara. Oh, but he cannot activate Kurikara because he was Wakayushi.
Yes.
And he's locked into super heavy samurai. He cannot summon Kurikara. He tried to cheat on stream. Not very good, very nice.
El cettare della stremo cettaore.
Cettaore.
Parla italiano. I mean, parla croazione. Parla croazione. Cheat on strem. Yeah, we are very excited about our wonderful players knowing how cards work. We had multiple Wakaushi incidents. We had a person activate anti-spell and set their own Wakaushi in the scale. What do you think of that move by said player, who is in top 8 right now?
A player that set an pendulum monster in a scale is in top 8 right now.
Under anti-spell.
Under anti-spell. Yes, this only... I don't know.
It only proves the quality of the Croatian Yu-Gi-Oh scene. You know what I mean?
This is just depressing. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's fine.
But
It's
I'm
completely
looking at Alan's side deck right now.
And what do you see in Alan's side deck?
Well, I mean, we know for sure that Draw and Walkbirds are coming in. Probably Dark Rulers as well.
No, we do not know for sure. We assume Droll and Logbirds are coming in.
We know for sure.
I think it's a fair assumption to make.
I mean, it's an
There is no concrete evidence, but it is a fair assumption to make.
And then there is, I don't know if there is anything else.
And there's Shifter in
in the main
a
deck.
part of the deck.
I mean,
We can assume that it is in the main deck,
can
but
assume that
there
is
is
a
no
shifter.
further
we
confirmation.
can confirm that there is a shifter somewhere. We know it's somewhere.
There is a Shifter somewhere in the deck.
It might not even be in the deck. You never know. He can just keep
What if it's under the table?
What if he's keeping it in his sleeve?
Oof. That's where you actually hold your Shifter.
That's for
So
sure.
what else can he side in?
Not that. That's definitely
Yeah, his
not
side
good.
deck looks like a pile of shit, I'm not gonna lie. But it's fine, because maybe this card can come in. Probably not.
How did this deck come into top 8?
Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely.
Do you know that I was planning on playing Kashtira today?
And then you somehow got a stroke and decided on
No.
playing Eldritch.
I went to test it on the Forbidden site. I was playing for like...
You mean on Duel Links in a few months? Not Duel Links, Duel... What is it called? Master Duel, yes, on Master Duel.
No, yes, no, there are no...
In a few months,
Yes.
We got the beta version.
We
in
got
advance.
beta version.
Beta version in advance.
I was like testing Kashtira and I played it for like maybe 10 to 15 matches, and I just looked at the deck and said, why am I activating Macrocosmos and setting a compulsory evacuation device? Like, what is this? And then I just said, let's play trap cards.
And then he decided on playing Eldritch.
I should have played that.
The night before the event, he made a poll between Exosister and Eldritch. I rigged the poll for it to be a draw without him noticing, and he still decided on playing Eldritch. He could have played Exosister and bubbled the event like a man. Now he bubbled the event not like a man. This is very unfortunate.
Wait, let me see the other. This is the other top 8s. This is not top 8, right? This one.
I hope not.
This one? No, this one is out.
I hope not as well.
That one is out. I hope this is not.
Okay, wait. They started, and Tibor sent him first.
No. Tibor is going first.
No, Tibor sent him first. Do you see a planet there?
Tibor sent him first.
And Ashed planet.
Tibor sent Kashtira. The deck makes Macrocosmos first.
Yes.
There is no way that's correct. There is not a possibility in this world that is a correct move to make. Super heavy samurai.
I have 3 words for this game state.
This-
Bog
this
Jesus
man-
Christ.
Okay, I'm just looking at this deck, please.
Oh wait, did you see this by the way?
Yes, I saw that.
Are
I
you-
actually have to see.
Are you crying tears of joy?
I almost. Looking at this, I kind of want to.
We are happy that you are not looking at this.
What is this? My God, this giving me a brain aneurysm.
Best case scenario.
What
Okay,
is this?
but let's go back to the commentary.
My
Alan is
God.
carefully reading the card. Book of Moon. Ooh.
And this looks like.
Good game. Well played.
I'm very sad for Tibor because his
his
stay in the top cut will soon come to an end. You can see. Oh my God.
Just for clarification, Tibor is not part of E-Man Games. Just for clarification.
I don't see Iman, I only see Man.
Man Games.
There is not games, it's just Man.
Man.
There's
Man.
Man.
Man. Just Man.
But I do not
I
understand.
think he won the playmat on a giveaway or something.
No.
On a giveaway. On a giveaway.
I would say what happened with it, but if I speak, I'm in big trouble.
If I speak, I am in trouble.
If I speak,
I
I'm
am in big trouble. So we will say it was won on a giveaway. Because it was won on a giveaway. Only
What
100%
is
concrete information is shared on his. on
I'm
the
not
stream.
gonna lie to you, but looking at the deck.
Yeah, we're not even gonna watch the stream anymore. It's just over. Like, this is boring. We're just doing a review of the deck lists, and everything looks
Okay, this one is probably the best.
okay. This is the guy that put Wakaushi in scale.
Okay, well, this is probably the best deck list we
Let me
have
see.
here.
What deck is it? Okay.
This is probably the best deck list we have here.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay. I can see it. We should feature this guy. Oh wait, never mind. He's of the wrong nation. I mean, he's rejected the feature match.
No, is he still in top cut?
Yes.
If he's top 4, I think we should feature him. Because he probably has the best deck list here.
Okay, sure.
And what are we looking here? Why did my guy write my Jesus Christ.
Yep, Kazala twins.
Oh my God.